So working on Sidekick. Yesterday, okay, let me just disable this monitoring. Don't need anymore. Okay, so yesterday we did the work on the downtime deployments, and it actually works. So I've tested it afterwards. It's actually fine now. So it should be good to go today. I'm going to continue working on that right away, but I will not be. The one thing I want to try to do now is actually just do some things with the Zelig first. So I don't know if anybody here actually knows what Zelig is or uses it, but I absolutely love Zelig because of this, the hovering pane. So Zelig also has this tab stuff, but I usually don't use tabs at all. Moreover, I use Kitty, which has tabs, and it's easier to move between them. So I don't need those tabs. So I'm actually want to change this plugin to be something else. I forgot what's the, here we go, status bar alias. So I'm going to try a couple of different plugins here. So I can go out of this. And then if I open up default layout, I can change this to status bar, get out, try Zillish again. Right, so I absolutely hate this. This is the worst. It's really bad. It's just so annoying and it's so big. I really don't like it. So that's the status bar. Um, I've done compact bar. I think that was the one that was already there. Uh, let's do that again. I believe the compact bar is the one that was already there, so I'm not gonna try that. Session manager sucks. I like this one, which is the Strider, but I was not able to get it to work the way I wanted to. Loading, yeah, that makes sense. Let me think. So this actually doesn't make any sense. Those are the plugin aliases. Plugin aliases are the dictionary between an arbitrary string and a non-alias plugin. Oh no, I don't care about this. I don't care about this. Just go strider alias. Yeah, and then this is going to be okay, but the location, make this 10 so I can see it for now. Get out of here. Get out of here. The yes, okay, here we go. And then that means that I could do this and navigate through them. I like this, although I actually can't open it yet, and that's very annoying. And I'm trying to get that to work, but I can't. Uh, Loads the plugin Strider layout with a 20% of the user screen and a full height of the user screen -3. The list has no other explanation from this alias, but user will probably expect to have at least 2 files. Yeah, so this is the one here. Strider. I think there was a blog post about it. Yeah, here we go. This one. So I did not get this to work. I have to launch file picker through a key binding. I don't care about this. I have to get an IDE-like experience. Um, so I actually think this would be a good idea to try things out. So get out of this ZE-L Strider. Yeah, so this, ugh, come on, this one here is so bad. I hate this. But the thing is, I can't open it. Yeah, that's the thing. Here we go. So Z, to do this, you launch the file picker through the Z pipe alias. You can also pipe the output of file picker into another command traditional CLI pipeline. I don't want this at all. What I want is to be able to open up the file when you enter. When you select a file, when you enter, press in the file picker, open whatever path, whatever is in the path. Either the default editor, if it's file, the file editor will open whatever is in path. either in our default editor, and I then have to set default editor. I'm not gonna spend much on this. Change the default editor of files open in the terminal. Mate, I have done this. It didn't work. I have done this. It does not work. Hmm. Yeah, I've done this. It just doesn't work. Helix, default editor, terminal. Yeah, how to set as the default editor in macOS? Uh, mate, no, I've done this. How many times I have to say this? I have done this. Oh man, if it works, export editor equal Helix, the Strider. Doesn't work. Ugh. Man, I'm hating this. Okay, let's just move on. Whatever. Okay, I will not be doing this at all then. I will be not. Oh, what happened? Awesome. DE full. Yeah, we're not doing that anymore. So I actually want it to be super simple for now. Yeah, just a pane, just a borderless pane. That is it. I don't want anything else. Yes. So all I need to do is like this, and I'm greeted with that. That's why I use Zillage. That's it. Can do a lot more. I'm not interested at the moment. That is just usually how I use it. You can do this, and you can do so many things, but I'm just really not interested. I just want the floating panes. The floating panes are the best thing that happened to me. Uh, yes, so I really am not interested. All right, all good. Cool. Let's get back to actual work. So I have to. So I've already finished up the launch command now. There's something here in the launch command with the environment that I think is weird. Yeah, this is not good. So this is actually just incorrect. This is incorrect. This has to get the values from the environment file. So file exists on the end file name, loading end file, unable to process. Okay. Okay, yeah, this is fine. And this is the encryption. This is also fine. The thing is, how do you... I need to... So you read the file. Okay, this is not going to work. This is going to be end file name for certain. Oh, yes, this is not right. Orthodox printf. And this is like that. And this is going to be in file name, which is going to be basically whatever. And this has to change to be like this. Yeah, so we haven't actually finished this feature to a degree. Change this to printf. Yes. And the file name, that's correct. So you've tried to read that file, unable to process the end file, and then you are just simply hashing things out, right? Right. And this command will basically just bring it out. Oh yeah, that's not fun. This also needs to change. This also needs to change. So just say what? Say end file. Yes, end file equals the second argument. And we basically just use end file here. Yes, happy days. And then what you need to do here is end file name. End file name. Done. Cool. I think what I'm going to do is actually going to try this. So exit one, this instance. OS dot exit. Yes, let's exit first of all. And then you just install this. Do I really need to install this? Not really, right? Yeah, just go run main launch. Yes, so I just need to, whoa, why is this taking time? Wow. No clue what's happening here. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Okay, let's don't do this then. Go install this, and then go into the test app, and then Sidekick launch. Wow, something's really wrong. No, line 48. Ah, right. But you should probably uh, fatal error config file. Yeah, yeah. You should probably handle this more gracefully, no? So let's do this. Let's do config error equals whatever comes back from this. And then if config error does not equal nil, we do the speed term dot error dot print line unable to locate config file run Sidekick init first. Cool, and then os.exit offline with a one signal, and then what you do is same thing again, go out, and then you should be able to go run or launch. Come on. Wow, what's happening here? It's line 52 now. How did he get line 52? Okay. Okay, are you telling me this error is not null? Hmm? What? Whoa. This error is nil. Yeah, that makes sense now. It does make sense, my man. Config x sidekick. Because the file is there. Ah, so we actually need to delete this file. So what are we doing here? Into Sidekick. Yes, and then we will basically, what are we gonna do? We're just gonna rm Sidekick. Yes. We should probably be able to handle this more gracefully than this, but for another day, my man. For another day. Okay, let's do it again. Go on. Yes, thank you. That's what we want. Config file not found. Okay, there's already an error. Oh no, this is not an error. This is it. Unable to locate config file. Run Sidekick init first. Thank you very much. Now, that being said, I am actually might uh uh, yeah, it's gonna be a mess. I don't care, really. I just want to test this piece of code. I just want to test this piece of code. Isolation sucks. Okay, let's if I take it out also wouldn't work. So what do we do first? We are logging in first. Enter URL friendly app. We are analyzing the Docker file. Yeah, so we can disable this, I think. The rest should be fine. Yes, sir. You just deleted it. Yeah. We can also do this. Actually, you know what? I don't care about the config at all. So just do this. Yes, let's do that now. Woohoo! No Docker file in the current directory. That's a fair shout out. So let's actually install this version and then go into the test app and then run Sidekick launch. Same show me. Yes, here we go. App. Yes. Here we go. Thank you. What happened? Panic. Interface conversion of blah is nil is not a string. Line 92. How do you go to line in Helix editor? Go to line. There's a command for what? GG. Okay. Okay. What? Wait, what are you talking about? Go to window tab, next buffer, buffer close, line number. Ah, right. What? Cool. Got it. All right. So what's the other end? G 92. So that's G92G. Here we go. So what's the issue? You're right. App domain. Right. That's a fair point. We don't want it. This is gonna be not gonna be easy because there are errors now. Yeah, I really hate this. There must be a better way to test this. I know somebody who will be watching this later or now is hating me and calling me an idiot. And that's fine. Just delete it. What's the issue now? The default value of nothing. Shut up. Now app 3000, that's fine. Yeah, right. So you called dot and okay, what happened now? What line is that? 108. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, but this should work then. Yeah, it should work. However, This should be the end file content. I actually did this before, but I didn't touch it. Now, before you do any of this, yeah. Don't do any of this. I just want you to you need a list of all the env names. That's what we're trying to do here. So this is gonna be strings dot split. I've done this before actually. Anyway, strings split env file env file content. Yes. Ah, okay, cool. Env file content of and then split it by n. And then what you do is just print this. Yes. Oh, mate. Oh, mate again. Of course. Of course it's ridiculous. Of course this is ridiculous. Okay, cool. Go out, go back, install it, go into test, Sidekick launch. Yes. Ugh. Sidekick launch app 3000. Leave the domain. I really wanna change. Please enter h in file. No, 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 no. That's too much. Please enter. um, That's it. It's that simple. Install dot, go into test app, site, click launch, app 3000, no domain, dot n. Yes. Okay, good. So now we are doing the right thing. Now, yeah, Sadiq, what we have to do is make that list and then get this guy by lines and then yeah. Yes. So what we do is we do env variables and the variables, which is going to be an empty slice of strings. Oops. String. I keep forgetting how to do this. Yes, like that. Nope, not like that. Yes. Okay, so it's an empty what? Oh, okay. What the hell is happening? What? Oh my goodness. What am I doing? I'm very confused. Um, yes. Oh man, I write too many languages. It's ridiculous. Like that, you dumb. Cool. So these are the envars, and then what we need to do is basically range over this. For range, no. Line, no. IDX line, and this is going to be coming from this thing here. We don't need to do that. D P P. Oh no, we need a range keyword here of range this. I think you need a for keyword at the beginning. For, yes, that's right. We don't need this anymore. And then what we need to do here is basically just, oops, oh my God, a bit sloppy today. What we need to do is basically, actually, we have to env variables dot append. Yes, do that, please. Thank you. What are you going to append? We are going to append a line, no, strings dot split of line at this, and then basically just capture the zero thing, right? We don't care about the index, so we can change that like so. And then once you finish this, just print print the end variable. Yes, finally, cool. Nice. Go back, go install it, go run, Sidekick launch. Let's go. App 3000, nothing. Yes. Um, I think that might work. Now, that being said, what I want you to do is basically put these here. So we need to loop over these environment variables. Pa, 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 pa. So we should be able to do this here, right? So for var for nothing, and then var, which comes from range of n variables. Yes. What we will do is yeah, we need to have a container first to loop over this. Damn it. Okay. So Docker env, which is going to be another slice that's empty because you don't have map in Go. Another slice that's empty, and then Docker env dot append. Oops, what's happening here? Docker env dot. Oi, the hell is this? Docker env dot append. What's going on? What? Docker and property. I don't know what's happening here. Docker and property dot append. Yes. Wow. Something's not right here. What's the issue? What expected one expression? Huh? I'm very confused. Ah, because I used the word var. Damn it. Damn it, son. Damn it. And var. Cool. What are you doing? What am I doing actually here? Yes, this is end variables. Yes, mate. And then what we need to do is docker and property dot append. Thank you. What do we append? What do we append? We append font.sprintf of string that go. Actually, this is here. Let's just copy it. Just literally copy it. Oh no, we need that. We need that. Okay, cool. So that, I mean, it looks disgusting, but it works for now. Cool. Now we need to replace this bullshit with what? With env var actually. With each env var, yes. With each env var. Env var. Yes, thank you. Cool. Finally. And then when you finish all of this, just print the docker env property. All right, here we go. What happened there? Yes, thank you. Go here, go back, go back. Leave this up, please. Clear it up, clear it up, and then go install it. And then go into the test app, go into the test app, and then go Sidekick launch. Let me see. I know. App 3000, nothing, dot end. Yeah, something is not right here because there was another empty line. Hmm. Yes, so there was an empty line in the array. There is an empty line. Which one are we end variables? You've added an empty line. Bu- 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 Slow down. Um, yes, so only do this if line. What am I doing? Why is this have an empty variable in it? That's the end of the line. Come on, mate. So there was an empty line at the end. We need to check. We need to check the line is not empty, right? We need to check that line is not empty. So if line, if line does not equal this, then do that. I don't know. I think I don't even know if that will work. Okay. All right, boys. I gotta go.